Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayleigh, in case you didn't know that, and today we are in a little bit of a different location. This is the only nice spot I could find where I could actually show you what's going on over here. But yeah, if you've seen the title, you know what this is. I got a Zuca case. If you don't know what a Zuca case is, it is a fancy case that makeup artists use, or the Zuca case that I'm going to be explaining today. So I ended up getting the Kryolan one. I'm very excited about it. It took me really long to actually save up for this case, but super stoked about it. This is my previous case that I used to have, so as you can tell, it's a lot smaller than what I have now, and now I'm just using this as like my special effects kit. So it's not like I'm not using this kit, but this was my trusty makeup kit that I've been using for very long, and I literally got to a stage where I could not fit anything more in this kit. So it was time for an upgrade, but yeah, this is my previous kit and I just thought I would show you guys, so yeah. Okay, I am going to pack my kit, so you will see how I'm gonna pack my kit and how it's gonna look on the day. But I just thought I would give you like a rundown on a few of the things with this kit. So something that's really great about the Kryolan case is the fact that it comes with a cover. So it's just a nice little cover that you can place over your kit if you're not using it for a while, which, I mean, in my case, I'm going to be using my kit quite frequently. But it's quite nice to have to keep it free from any dust, as well as if you are going like on a plane or something, then it is quite handy to protect your case a little bit more. So with the covering, it has this really nice zip on the back, and this is just for the handle. So you zip it up and it is out of the way. Another thing that's really great is it comes with a like little spot for like a luggage tag or a business card or something, so that if it were to ever get lost, at least someone would be able to contact me to give it back to me if, heaven forbid, it were to get lost. It also has these little buckles at the bottom so that you can attach it just around the wheel so it doesn't get in the way. It also has these little elastic bands that strap around the little leg at the bottom. Okay, getting into the actual case. This case is really great because this little like frame is really sturdy, and you can actually sit on this like handle area. It's strong enough to hold a person, so if you don't have a seat for whatever reason, you can use your kit. It has so much storage, so it has all these little sleeves and zips on the side, and it's the same on the other side as well. So there's my other side. I do have a little bit of stuff stored in there, but we'll get to that in a minute. At the back of the case, it also has two pockets, as well as a place for a business card or a name tag or something. It has an extremely sturdy handle, so that's great. It has a handle at the bottom as well as a handle at the top, so that it is really easy to carry it if you need to. Then moving on to the actual inside of the case. So it has this really cute flap, which I was worried was going to get in the way when I was trying to get in and out of my case, but I found that you can just tuck it behind the actual, outer layer of the case, so it doesn't get in the way. And then it has this little door that you unzip, and inside you can see the case. So obviously it is empty. I have not packed it yet. It has a lot of little like sleeves, so you can put a lot of stuff on the doors, as well as it has another little casing or spot at the top of the case. So yeah, that is essentially what my Zuca case consists of. I'm going to show you guys how to pack it, or how I pack my Zuca case. What's really nice about my Zuca case is that it came with a whole bunch of these little bags. So that is the best part about this Zuca case, is that you can categorize everything and put them into their own little like bags. So they come with four large size bags and one small size bag. And they're also really nice because they have, well, the big ones only. The small one doesn't actually have a label area, but all the big ones do have this little place where you can label what is inside the bag. So once they are inside your case, it is very easy for you to see what is what once they are all in there. So if you needed one thing or one bag or whatever and you're in a hurry, you could just pull it out of your bag, and yeah. Okay, so I have gone through my entire kit and packed them all away. So in no particular order, just what I'm looking at. This is my eyeshadow palette bag. It's actually so crazy how much these bags can hold. So I'm trying to remember how many palettes I actually have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 palettes. I have 6 palettes in this bag. Yeah, that's insane. But yeah, I have all of my eyeshadow palettes in here. In this bag, I have all of my foundations, and I have, as well as like skin prep things, so moisturizers, primers, skin illuminators, powders, yeah, eye primers. I don't actually know why I have an eye primer in there, but yeah, I have a lot of things for the skin, as well as a lip palette. The lip palette just like works in there. I don't know why it's in there, but yeah, it just works. In this bag I have everything for skin prep. So this is all things to like clean the face, as well as I do have a what do you call it, a setting spray, just because this setting spray does leak a little bit, so I didn't want that to come in contact with any other products. That's why I didn't put it in my foundation bag. But yeah, that's pretty much it. In the next bag I have everything for eyes. So I have glitters, eyelash glue, eyelashes, mascaras, that kind of thing, as well as 3 other palettes. So yeah. Then I have an empty bag, which is crazy because I thought that I would fill this bag. But yeah, it just means I have enough space to expand my kit, which is exactly what I wanted to do. So I have an extra bag now, but yeah. It's actually crazy how easy it is to now put the bags into my kit. So I'm just gonna grab the bags and literally just plop them in. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So in goes my skin prep. I'm now going to put in all my foundations, then my eyeshadow palettes, and all my eye stuff. Okay, so as you can see, I have all my bags in except for the empty one. I'm obviously not going to put the empty one into my bag because yeah, there's no point. But yeah, what's really nice about that I like about this kit is that it does have a space here, and this space is going to go purely for my brushes. So I'm just going to take my brush set and I'm going to just pop it in out of the way right there. So that's perfect. Then I just have a few more things that I need to put in. So I have a towel. I always take a towel with me just in case I'm using someone else's surface and I get makeup on it or I ruin it or whatever. So the towel just prevents it from destroying the surface. I don't know. So that fits in nicely right on top. Next I have this little bin. This is actually like a little recycled what do you call it, earbud container. So yeah, I'm just basically using this as a bin because, you know, sometimes you sharpen pencils and stuff and there's not always a bin nearby. So yeah, I just like to put this in a little container and then take it home and dispose of it. So that's just going to go in as well. The last 2 things I have are just disinfectants and alcohol spray. So I don't want those to spill or anything onto my nice clean bag. So I'm just going to put it on the outside. And there we have it. My kit is now packed and ready to go. Yeah, it's super easy. It fits everything in. It is actually insane how much I can fit in this case. It doesn't look that big, and it really doesn't take up that much space in terms of like where it's sitting. So yeah, it's really great. I'm really stoked. This bag is quite affordable considering what you're getting. So you do get all of those bags. I think it's 5 bags in total that you get, as well as the really nice cover that it comes with, and then the quality that you're getting. So I paid 3,000, roughly about 3,400 rand, which is really good considering like how high quality this bag is. So yeah, super stoked, and I'm sure I'm going to be using this for a very long time. But yeah. So I know that I kind of rushed past all the products that I put in my kit. That was just purely for the sake of time. But if you guys would like to see a full video on all of the products that are actually in my kit, then I can do that. So just let me know down below if you want to see that, give me a thumbs up or comment or something, I don't know. But yeah, I'm definitely happy and really keen to do that type of video as well. It'll just be very long, so you may have to just grab a cup of tea or something and sit down and yeah. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of my kit. I'm very stoked. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys next week with an all new video. Bye guys.